Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. I'm continuing the series of Excel tutorials here on IT.tutorials. This tutorial has the goal to talk about Flash Fill. Flash Fill is a very useful tool used in Excel. This tool, Flash Fill, will help you a lot with your work in Excel, will make your work in Excel more efficient. So I have done these tables before this tutorial because I would like to show you a few examples regarding to this tool Flash Fill, and you will see how useful this tool is in Excel. You can use a Flash Fill to separate text and also to concatenate text in Excel. But first of all, you make sure this tool is enabled in options. Otherwise, this tool Flash Fill won't work. So go here and click on File, Options, and check here where you have this Advanced and Editing options. If this automatically Flash Fill is checked, that means the Flash Fill is enabled and it's working. If this is not checked, that means Flash Fill does not work in Excel. So make sure this is checked before you are going to use Flash Fill in order that this Flash Fill to work. All right, so let's start the examples. I've got these names and I want to separate the first name and third name from this name using Flash Fill. So I'm going to start with the first name. I'm going to type here in this column Josef. Yeah, this is the first name from this name Josef Bodnar. Yeah, enter after you type the first name and go here on this type, on this editing type, and click on this arrow. Where is this fill, and click on Flash Fill. And as you can see, Excel automatically filled in with the next first name from the next names from these names. Yeah, so Carmen from Carmen Berinde, Andrea from Andrea Pedro, and so on. Now in this column C, I want to separate from the names the surname. So I'm going to type here Bodnar, enter. I go here on Fill and click on Flash Fill. And as you can see, the Excel filled in the next rows with the next surnames from these names. Yeah. Also, you can extract, you can take out the initials from the names using Flash Fill. So I'm going to type the initials from the first name, IB, enter. Go and select Fill and click on Flash Fill. As you can see, the next initials from the next names was typed automatically by Excel. SB from Carmen Berinde, AP from Andrea Pedro, and so on. Now you can realize how useful this Flash Fill can be in Excel, in your work in Excel. Yeah. Also, I have here another table. I've got these dates here. Yeah, and I want to separate the day, the month, and the year using Flash Fill. I'm going to type the first day from the first date, 25th. Yeah, enter. Go and click on Flash Fill, and automatically Excel will take out the days from the next dates. Yeah, as you can see, 26, 27, yeah, and so on. All right, now I'm going to extract the month. I'm going to type February, enter, fill, and click on Flash Fill, and the month was taken out and filled in by Excel automatically in the next rows, as you can see. Now the year 2017, enter, fill, and click on Flash Fill, and Flash Fill filled in the next rows the years, as you can see from these dates. All right, Now you have seen how you can separate text using a flash fill. That means all these cells are formatted as a text. So flash fill recognize just text. Yeah. Here I've got these phone numbers. Yeah, they are random phone numbers. Doesn't have anything to do with reality. And as you know, probably phone number will contain the country code. Is this plus 40? The area code is this 234, and the last one is actually the phone number. Now I want to extract from each of these phone number the country code, the area code, and the phone number. How I'm going to do this? As I told you, the flash fill recognizes just the text. So, in order that the cell to be formatted as a text, you type this apostrophe, this symbol, yeah, and after type the number 40, enter, go here on fill, click on flash fill, and as you can see, all these country code was filled in automatically by flash fill. And now all these cells are formatted as a text. All right. I'm going to do the same thing for the area code 234, enter, fill, and a flash fill, and also for the phone number 3450234, enter, and click on flash fill. And as you can see, using the flash fill, I separated from each these phone numbers the country code, the area code, and the phone number. This is another example how useful is this flash fill. Also, you can format differently a name if you want using this flash fill. For example, if you want to put a comma between the first name and the last name, you can use flash fill to do it in this way. So Josef, comma, Botnar, enter, select fill, and click on flash fill. As you can see, all the names now has this comma between first name and last name. Sometimes there will be a middle name. Yeah, let's insert a column here, and let's write here middle name. Yeah, for example, here I can put like John, here Daniela or Daniel, as it is in English language, I think. Andrea, here I can put, for example, Liliana or Lilian. Marius, here it could be like Gabriel, and here Adrian. Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to write the first full name like Josif. Okay, just I realized actually I'm gonna to copy this in here, yeah, and I'm gonna to use first the first name, yeah, and I'm gonna to put here the middle name, and again I'm gonna to cut this and paste it on this column. All right, now I've got the first name, the middle name, and the surname, yeah, and here full name. It's going to be the full name. Now, Josef John Botnar. Yeah, Botnar. select fill and click on the flash fill, and here you go. Here you have the full name. Yeah, so as you can see, flash fill filled in all these rows, yeah, using the first name, the middle name, Carmen Daniel Berinde, yeah, Andrea Liliana Pedro, Andrea Liliana Pedro. And in this way, flash fill is able to concatenate text, as you have seen in this example. So that was all about the flash fill in this tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. In my opinion, this flash fill is very useful, is a very efficient tool, which you can use it in Excel. In your work in Excel will help you a lot, in my opinion. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I invite you to watch my other video tutorials on my YouTube channel, IT Tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.